Hello, welcome to Math Companion. So before we solve this question, we need to understand the following. The first thing is just log x, it just means logarithm to base 10x, just the same thing. And then we also need to fully understand that if I have logarithm to base a, b, m, this can also be written as m log to base a, b. Okay, that's very important for us. Another thing that we should also know is if we want to change the bases, if I have logarithm to base a, b, this is the same as 1 over the logarithm to base b, a. All right, then let's look at this question. Now, in this case, if we have x log x minus 3, it means it is x, the logarithm to base 10, x minus 3, all right? It's equals to 0.01 is the same as 10 to power negative 2. Now, next step, if we want to get introduce logarithm on the right hand side, we are going to write this as logarithm to base 10 x minus 3. It simply equals to logarithm to base x 10 to power negative 2. Then this will simply be equal to logarithm to base 10 x minus 3, which is equals to 2 logarithm to base x 10. Now I want to switch this one so that we can have the same basis. So this can also be written as, over here it was negative 2, so it can also be written as negative 2 times 1 over logarithm to base 10x. So therefore we can write this one back as logarithm to base 10 x minus 3 is equals to negative 2 over logarithm to base 10x. Now we can just get rid of base 10, and by using this law over here, this can also be written as the logarithm of x minus 3 is equals to negative 2 over log x. Now we can do cross multiplication over here. So this is going to be log x, you multiply by the logarithm of x minus 3, which is equals to negative 2. Now, opening the brackets here, we are going to have logarithm squared x minus 3 log x is equals to negative 2. Now, we can, at this step, therefore, we can say, let's put m to be equals to log x. Therefore, over here, we are going to have m squared minus 3m, which is equals to negative 2, and therefore m squared minus 3m plus 2 is equals to 0. Next step, m is going to be equal to, by factorizing this, therefore, we are going to have m minus 1 and m minus 2. When you factorize this one, you're going to get all this is equal to 0. Therefore, it means m minus 1 is equals to 0, and therefore m is equals to 1. Then m minus 2 is equals to 0. The second solution is 2. Those are the two solutions for m. Now, next, we are going to have, because at first we substituted and we said the logarithm to base 10, logarithm log x is equals to m, which also means logarithm to base 10 x is equals to m. Okay. Now, we can therefore say we want to find x, logarithm to base 10 x is equals to 1, and therefore x in this case will be equals to 10 to power 1, which is just equal to 10. The next is logarithm to base 10 x is equals to 2. This means x will be equals to 10 to power 2, which is equals to 100. And therefore we can say our value for x is also equal to 100. So those are the two solutions for x. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to keep updated of every new and very interesting Math Olympiad questions that we keep posting. Bye bye. Have a great time.